The MSO DPO 2000 series offers the most comprehensive set of triggers in its class. Quickly and easily find common digital errors, like a runt, glitch, slow rise time, data packet error, or a host of other options. Capturing common errors is as simple as selecting the trigger and setting a few basic parameters. The scope will accurately capture and display the event as soon as it occurs. With over 1 million points of record length per channel, the MSO DPO 2000 can capture impressive detail on over 1,000 screens of information. To find what you want fast, simply use the Wave Inspector automated search. Define the specific event you're interested in. It's as simple as setting up a trigger. Wave Inspector will search your entire record and mark every one of your defined events. You can then jump between different marks. Or simply press a single button to copy your current trigger settings to find all instances of your trigger event. Other scopes in the same class as the MSO DPO 2000 offer only a basic set of triggers and no automated search. This means you must use a simple edge or pulse width trigger, capture a record, and then manually scroll, and scroll, searching for the problem. If you don't catch your event the first time, you must go through this process again and again. Only the MSO DPO 2000 series offers the powerful toolset you need to get your job done fast.